Okay, today we're going to start with the next new lesson. All of you remember which was the previous lesson that we did?
Yes, ma'am.
Which was the previous lesson? My house, right? You'll remember lesson number 6. My house was your
My house.
lesson. Yes. Okay, you all know why we need a house. Yes, why we need a house? We need a house to live in because it protects us from so many things, right? It protects us from cold, hot, right? From heat, cold, rain, dust, from wild animals. It protects us from so many things. That's why we need a house, right? You all learned all that. Even for your FE test also, you had written a test on that, right?
Yes, ma'am.
No, my house, you didn't have test on that. Correct. Okay, but for your rest one, you will be having. Okay, now today we're going to start with the next lesson, clean habits. What do you mean by clean habits, children? What is clean?
Good morning, ma'am.
What are clean habits? Good morning, Melvin. What are clean habits?
Good brushing, cutting nails, ma'am.
Very good, very good. Cutting your nails.
Habits, ma'am. Cutting
Yes.
nails, ma'am.
Yes. Start from the starting. Morning, as soon as you'll get up, what do you all do?
Nails, ma'am. Nails, ma'am.
Okay. Now, first thing, as soon as you get up in the morning, what do you all do? You'll go brush your teeth, wash your face.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Right? Okay, you'll take.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Pratusha.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Pratusha.
Which book, ma'am?
Your EVS textbook. Turn your book to page number 43. Okay, your EVS textbook. Okay. Now, first thing, when you all get up in the morning, what do you all do? You'll get up. First time, you'll go to the toilet, brush your teeth, take bath, and then you'll become fresh, right? Okay, so these are all clean habits. Every day when you follow, it becomes a habit. Okay, so every day morning, you'll get up, brush your teeth. Okay, you'll brush your teeth, take bath, right? Then you'll wear clean clothes. Remember, when you wear clothes, you have to iron your clothes and you have to wear. Okay, don't wear wrinkled clothes. If people see, they'll be like, what is this child? He's wearing like this, right? So you have to make sure that your clothes are neatly ironed. Okay, and it should be clean and tidy. Okay, and for how many times should you all brush your teeth, children? How many times should you all brush your teeth in a day? You have to morning, yes.
Morning and night, ma'am.
Yes, very good. So once you're going to brush your teeth in the morning, and once more you're going to brush your teeth at night before going to sleep. Okay. Not only that, you should also keep your fingernails short, right? You have to make sure that you trim your nails every week. Okay, at least weekly once, make sure that you trim your nails. If you have fast growth, you make sure that at least 3 days, keep trimming your nails. Okay, otherwise what will happen? Dirt will get inside your nails, and when you eat food, it will get into your body, which is not healthy. Okay, so make sure that you also trim your nails regularly. Okay, then how should you keep your hair, children? How should you keep your hair?
Neat and clean, ma'am.
Yes. Comb your hair clean. Yes, comb your hair neatly.
Ma'am.
You also your hair. Yes, you have to comb your hair.
You want to comb here, ma'am.
Yes, you have to comb your hair. Okay, and also make sure that you also wash your hair. Okay, you have to wash on probably once in 2 days or 3 days. You have to wash your hair, keep your hair clean, oil your hair also so that it doesn't become dry. Okay, so all these things are called as clean habits. And also remember, before and after eating, what should you do? You should wash your hand. Okay, so before you go to eat, make sure you wash your hand nicely. And also after you eat also, you have to wash your hands. Okay, so these are your basic or your personal clean habits. Okay, now let us start doing from the textbook. Okay, turn your book to page number 43. Can you see a child standing here? Can you see a boy standing here? Yes. Yes. Okay, and then they have yes. Okay. part of his body. Okay, take your pencil as well. Okay, take your pencil as well. First, we will finish this side and then we'll move on to this side. Okay, so here, which part is over here? Which part of his body is here or is space?
Eyes.
Yes, so in this,
Ma'am.
very good. In this box here, write down I. I. E-Y. E-S. E-Y. I.
Yes.
Now, second one, let's see when which part of his body is this. Fingers. See the
Ma'am.
fingers. Yes. Okay, now in the second box, write N. G-E. F-I-N-G-E-R-S. Fingers. Okay? Fingers.
What, ma'am?
F.
What, ma'am?
I'll spell it again, Aldrich. Write it down. F-I-N.
F-I-N.
G-E. E-R-S. Okay?
R. Yes.
Okay. Now next one.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Now next one. Which part of his body is this?
Leg, ma'am.
It is foot. Okay.
Ma'am, what is the second one?
Write down O F.
What, ma'am?
Foot. Okay. Write down F
Yes, ma'am.
O T.
Yeah. O. T.
Okay. So this side you have eyes, fingers, and foot. Okay, now we will move on to the other side of the body parts. Now, first one, what is given here? It is head. Okay, write down H-E-A-D. Head.
H-A-R-R.
H-E-A-D. Head. Okay, that's it. Head. Now next one, second. Very good. Ear. Okay, write down E-A-R. Ear. E-A-R. Ear. Okay, second one is E-A-R. Ear. Third one. Very good. Mouth. Write down O-U-T-H. Mouth. M-O-U. M-O-U-T-H. Mouth. Mouth. Okay, now next one. Next one, what does this? Very good. It is hand. Okay, write down H-A-N-D. Hand. Hand. Okay, write down H-A-N-D. Hand. Okay, and the last box, where does it point to?
Leg, ma'am.
Good.
Leg, ma'am.
L-E-G.
Leg, ma'am.
Very good. Write down leg.
Ma'am, what are the hand spelling, ma'am?
H-A-N-D. Hand.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, very good. After hand, write down leg. L-E-G. Okay.
These
These are our parts of our body. Okay, these are our parts of our body. Eyes, fingers, foot. Then you have head, ear, mouth, hand, leg. Okay, there are other parts also which is not mentioned here, right? You have your tongue, you have teeth, you have toes. Okay, these are all our parts of our body. Okay, now next page, page number 44. Turn your book to page number 44. Okay, in the next page you have few parts. Okay, you have
mouth.
the body.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. I can't say, ma'am.
Okay. Now listen. Now here they have given you few parts of the body here. Few parts have been separately drawn here. Okay, you have to tell how this part of the body helps you. Okay, the first one is, which is the first part given here?
Eyes, ma'am.
Eyes. Okay, so for what do you use your eyes?
Eyes, ma'am. Eyes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. The first part, see. Okay, so we have eyes to see. Okay, they have already drawn one line here, right? They have already drawn a line like this. I want you to draw a small line like this. Okay, just draw one small arrow mark and write capital E-Y-E-S, eyes. Write down along with me. E-Y-E-S, eyes.
Ma'am, where ma'am I was to write?
Here. Okay. You have to write. Okay, write eyes. Two.
Ma'am, where we have to write, ma'am?
Page number 44, you have the different parts given here. For that, the first one is a picture of an eye. You have to write it here. Okay, page number 44. Okay, eyes to see. Okay, second one. Second one is which picture?
Nose, ma'am.
Very good. So what do you use? Nose.
Nose, ma'am. Smell, ma'am.
So write down
And
N-O-S-E, nose. N-O-S-E, nose. T-N-O-S-E, nose. T-O-2. T-O-2. S-M-E-L-L, smell. S-M.
ma'am, what is smell?
You want the spelling of nose or smell?
Smell, ma'am.
Smell is S-M-E-L-L, smell. E-L-L, smell. Okay. Then you have the next picture.
Ma'am, what is second one, ma'am?
Second one.
Second one, ma'am.
Two. T-O-2.
Mouth, ma'am. N.
Nose, N-O-S-E, nose. N-O-S-E, nose.
Third one is mouth, ma'am.
Okay, now next one, third picture. What picture is this?
Third one, mouth, ma'am.
Third one. This is not mouth. Which is this?
Ma'am, next one is actually mouth, ma'am. Drawing.
I'm sorry.
Drawing is the third one.
What is the person spelling, ma'am?
Correct. Sorry, children. It is actually mouth. Yes, very good. Okay, I missed this picture. This mouth.
What is the spelling spell, ma'am? Spell, ma'am?
बन्द गरिदेऊ चल्दैछ हल्का चल्दै
Having any background sound, please do not unmute yourself. Yes, Alvin.
What is the spelling, ma'am?
Smell is S-M. L. Smell.
M
E.
E
L. L.
L L.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Okay, next one is a picture of a mouth. So what do you use your mouth, children?
Eating, ma'am. Stop, ma'am.
Use our mouth to eat and also to yes, to eat and speak. Okay, so write down M-O-U-T-H, mouth. M-O
Yum.
M-O-U-T-H. M-O-U-T-H, mouth. T-O, E-A-T, eat. E-A-T, eat. Okay, and then put a forward slash like this. And then write S-P-E-A, speak. Okay, mouth is used for eating, speaking. Okay. E-A-T, and then just put one forward slash and then write S-P-E-A-K, speak. Okay, S-P-E-A-K, speak.
What is C, ma'am? C spelling. And what is spelling, ma'am?
Speak, S-P. Yes.
What is speak spelling, ma'am?
And spelling again, write it down. S-P. S-P-E-A-K. E-A-K.
Speak.
Picture, which picture is this?
Here, ma'am.
Yes, very good. What do you use?
Yes, ma'am.
Yours is
Yes,
yours.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, write down capital E-A-R-S. Yours. E-A-R-S. Yours.
Yes, ma'am.
T-O. Two.
Yes, that's
O.
Ma'am, what is speak spelling?
Speak is
Ma'am.
S-P-E-A-K. Speak. Yes, Charvi?
Last one, what, ma'am?
Third one is mouth. Mouth to eat or speak. Okay. Now, next fourth picture is of ears. Ears to hear. Okay, write H-E-A-R. Hear. Okay, H-E-A-R. A-R. Here. Okay. Now next one, which picture is the next one? It's a picture of a
And ma'am.
you use your hand to hold things, then to clap, right? Okay, now write down.
Yes.
Yes, okay, now write down capital H, capital H, A-N, capital H, A-N-D-S, hands.
Ma'am, I don't have place, ma'am. I can write down, ma'am.
Yes, you can write it down. Okay,
Thank you.
A-N-D-S, hands. T-O, two.
Ma'am, what is this?
Yes, English. With spelling.
Hand spelling, ma'am.
Hands. A-N-D-S. Hands. H-A-N-D-S. Hands. T-O, two. T-O, two. H-O-L-D, hold. H-O-L-D, hold. Put a forward slash. Okay, put a forward slash and write C-L-A-P, clap.
Ma'am, I don't have space, ma'am.
Write it down, ma. No space, you can write it down. Okay. Hands to hold or clap. C-L-A-P, clap. Okay, now next picture, which is this? Which picture?
Ma'am.
Very good. So what do you use your leg?
Leg, ma'am. Walk and run, ma'am.
Your leg to?
Walk and run, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Write down L-E-G-S, legs. L-E-G-S, legs. T-O, two. T-O, two. W-A-W-A-L-K, walk. W-A-L-K, walk. Put a forward slash. Write down R-U-N, run. R-U-N, run. Okay, so we use our legs to walk and run. Okay. Everyone has written this. If you've written, just show a thumbs up, children. Yes, very good. Yes, very good. Okay, now shall I erase the board?
Yes, ma'am. What is third one, ma'am?
Third one is mouth. M-O-U-T-H, mouth, to eat or speak.
Ma'am, what is a run?
Run is R-U-N, run.
Ma'am, Nikhil finished, ma'am.
Very good, Nikhil. Okay. Now, among these body parts, some of them are. Yes.
Finished, ma'am. Finished, ma'am.
Very good. The ones who finished, very good. The ones who are still writing, write quickly. Okay. Now here you have few body parts which are also called as our sense organs. Okay. Some of them are also our sense organs. How many of you all know what are sense organs? What do you mean by sense organs? Sense organs means help you to
Taste bud.
yes, your taste buds, your tongue, okay? The taste buds on your tongue, they are your sense organs. It tells you whether the food that you're eating is sweet or spicy. Yes, okay? Body parts.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Okay, I'm not able to hear you clearly. I will tell you all. Okay. Now, what are your sense organs? Sense organs are the organs which help you to feel or to taste or to see things. Okay. Basically, when you live and if you don't feel, when you don't feel anything, your existence itself, you will not be happy, right? Okay. So sense organs gives you that satisfaction. For example, you totally how many sense organs you have? You have 5 sense organs. Okay, there are 5 sense organs. One is your eyes. Then you have your nose. Then you have tongue. Then you have your ears. And then skin. Okay. So in a body, we have totally 5 sense organs. What are they? You have eyes. Why? Because your eyes helps you to see. Okay. It helps you to enjoy the nature. It helps you to see everything that is there around us. Okay. Then nose. Okay. Nose, for what you use your nose? You use your nose to smell. It tells you whether the smell is very nice or it is not nice, especially when you on Sundays when your mommy prepares biryani. Nice smell comes, right? You all enjoy? Okay, so nose is used to smell. And then tongue. When you eat something, if you like something spicy, it tells you your taste bud tells you it is nice, you eat more, right? Okay, so that helps you. Your tongue helps you to taste things. It helps in tasting. Next is your ears. Okay, how does your ear help you? Your ears help you to listen when someone is talking, to hear things, to hear music, nice, beautiful songs, okay? So your ears help you to listen. And then the largest or the longest sense organ in a body is the skin, because you have skin from the tip of our head to the tip of our toes. Okay, so this is the longest sense organ and that is the skin. Okay, it tells you it's when you touch something, when you touch ice, you feel cold, right? If water is boiling, you go and touch that vessel, it tells you it is very hot, don't touch, right? So skin also is a sense organ. Okay, so totally how many sense organs are there? There are 5 sense organs. Okay, now you will be able to unmute yourself. Okay, so how many sense organs are there, children? There are 5 sense organs. Okay, so in today's class, what is okay, so this is not given in your textbook, children. Okay, this is not given in your textbook, but you need to learn these as well. Okay, when I give you the notes, I'll give you along with these notes. Okay, now in today's class, what did you learn? You learned about your personal cleanliness, right? So how can you be clean? You have to make sure that morning every time you have to brush your teeth twice in a day. Okay, once you have to brush in the morning when you get up, and before you go to sleep, you have to brush your teeth. And then you also have to make sure that you wash your hands and wash your hands before and after you eat food. Okay, make sure you take bath every day. You have to wear clean and iron clothes. Okay, and make sure that you also trim your nails regularly. Okay, and comb your hair, oil your hair. Okay, children. First, cleanliness. Personal clean habits. Okay, and then we also talk about the different body parts in us, right? We have different body parts. We have head, we have eyes, we have nose, mouth, ears. Then we have our hands, legs. Okay, so these are our different body parts, and we also learned about the sense organs. How many sense organs are there? There are 5 sense organs. Okay, you have eyes. Eyes is used to see. You have nose to smell, tongue to taste, ears to hear, and skin to feel. Okay, skin is used to feel. So these are your 5 sense organs. Do you have any doubt in what we did today, children?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Everything?
No, ma'am.
Children understand?
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Oh, very good. Okay, then if you do not have any doubt, then we will